Good morning, welcome back to the channel. We've got another day and another destination. We're heading down towards Streaky Bay. We've decided on a destination. Streaky Bay is it at present. So we're going to get off the blacktop and head down through the Gawler Ranges, Gawler Ranges Road, which will take us past Gawler Ranges National Park. From the little bit that I know about this area, it's quite impressive, with a fairly impressive history on both sides of the highway here. Predominantly on this side here, we've got Woomera restricted areas, which was earlier used for everything from atomic testing to testing, firing rockets and God knows what else. Marla, all down through there, which was all secret squirrel business there during and just post Second World War. There's another area down through there to the left of the range road called Lake Gardner. We're not allowed to go driving on Lake Eyre. They won't wear that. They don't even want you going out there. So Lake Gardner is it. That's where a lot of the fellas out there do their lean speed stuff. So we won't be doing that in the truck. We may be able to see it from the side of the road. I'm not quite sure yet how all that there works. I know it's private property out through there, but we'll have a look and see what we can see. So come along for the ride. Well, we're just on our way past Kingunya, through Kingunya, a little outback community. The dirt road so far in here has been surprisingly good. I'd say recently graded. I dropped the tyre pressures down a few pounds just to help with some of the corrugations.
As long as it doesn't turn into a four-wheel drive track, Garry, we'll be fine.
Poor old Heather's worried because as we're coming in it says high clearance four-wheel drive and goes on about the different weights of vehicles.
You just couldn't help getting back onto a dirt road, could you, Garry?
No.
Even though we've got problems with the drive shaft.
No, we haven't got problems.
Well, no, we don't. No problems.
No problems.
Oh, look for trains.
We had a train just go through a minute ago.
Yeah, all clear.
Anyway, we're heading south on the dirt, and if you go by the signs it says four-wheel drive.
Anyway, come with us. Who knows what's down the track?
We may be able to get the eye in the sky happening because of the lack of wind. But hang about, guys. We're going somewhere.
Got no idea. So I'm in the driver's seat while Garry tries to fiddle around with the drone, see if we can get some good footage. I can't even see it. Where is it? Is it keeping up? You want me to slow down so it can overtake us and come back? Oh, it's in front of us now.
Yes.
Okay.
Slow.
Okay.
Aircraft will return to the home point in 10 seconds.
No.
Return to home.
No.
All the way back there where it started off.
No.
Mercy dash to find the drone.
Still flying.
I thought it ran out of battery.
Just trying to get an idea of where it is. Oh, there it is.
Is it following us? So if we stopped, it will come?
Battery level is low.
Where did this go?
Aircraft will return to the home point in 10 seconds. Landing.
Do you want me to go and grab it? Before it flies off. Well, that was very stressful, Gary.
What's stressful?
How about we just turn all the technology off? How's the trailer, Gary?
Everything's going well.
Is it?
Nothing's broken. Nothing to see here. Soft sand, only in two-wheel drive, and too high a tyre pressure. Doesn't make for good traction. Poor old Heather, yeah, she got a bit frightened by it all. But we got out all right, easy enough. Just a little bit lower pressure.
This is absolutely amazing. Nothing like Lake Eyre. We never really saw the salt. We weren't allowed to get up close enough to it. But to actually be walking on this, I can't explain. You have to really be here. It's incredible. We decided to get out of the truck for a while and go adventuring on the bike.
just out here on the Cape Bower, I think that's how you pronounce it, Cape Bower Loop Road. What an absolutely spectacular coast. Unfortunately, I can't ride as close to the coast's edge as I would like to. It is stunning. It's a little bit windy, but it's bloody cold. It's about 16 degrees. How lucky are we living in a country like this? Make the turn.
Wow, look at this.
This place is just absolutely spectacular. Just amazing coastline.